Hi everyone, welcome to SchnackeFam. And behind me, my chef today. She's making a chicken curry katsu. That's one of her favorite foods. So she is cooking it tonight for their dinner. And if you guys new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share and hit those notification bells so you guys are updated with our new video at SchnackeFam. And now let's see what she's doing. On this video, she gonna need a Japanese curry mix, onion. She also have eggs, and she have a chicken. She have a chicken breast. In one of the bowls, she had flour, seasoned with salt. In additional bowl, put the egg, 2 eggs. Stir them up or whisk. How do you call it? Whisk?
Beat the eggs.
Oh, beat the beat the egg. She had some onion here. In a bowl, we're gonna coat the chicken first with flour. Then eggs. And then breadcrumb. She's using a breadcrumb because we don't have a panko, so we're gonna try with this. Then put it in the breadcrumb. Now we're gonna cook the rest of the chicken. And repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. While we're cooking, I'm gonna show you outside what it looks like here. We have a lot of snow out here. Nice and golden brown.
You want to be cooked?
Now we're gonna cook the rest of the chicken. chicken nice and golden brown. Now we're gonna saute the onions. This is for the sauce. And we're gonna add garlic into it.
I'm gonna do it like that.
Alright.
Can I add broth and water?
Yes, you can do half and half. Now we're gonna add chicken broth and some water. Water.
Is that enough for all of these?
We're gonna add the curry. What kind of curry did you use?
The golden curry.
We're using the golden curry. So we're just gonna wait until the curry dissolves. And we're gonna mix this until we get nice and thick sauce. We're gonna cover and simmer for a few minutes. Smells good. I might have one. I get the smoked chicken.
Okay.
And a slicer chicken. Get our rice on our plate. Now we're gonna add our chicken. Now we're gonna pour our curry sauce that we made. And just finish a little some green on our rice. And some of our curry chicken. Hi everyone, so here's our curry chicken katsu that Janet made. So this is their dinner today.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our new videos.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching, and shout out to all our subscribers. Thank you so much. Bye. Chicken katsu is ready. Cat can't wait to eat. Bye everyone. Catherine want an extra sauce in her rice. How is it, Kat?
This is the best I've ever had.
Best you ever had, huh?
Curry sauce is amazing.
All right, everyone. She said it's really good.